Is that bright, Dodie? She thinks she's getting ice cream from Daddy.
She does think she's getting ice cream from Daddy.
Yodi, do you think you're getting ice cream? Yeah.
I already gave her some.
You do? You think so? Was it good? Was it good? Oh, we got a little bit of drool coming off the ew. Oh, there's Yodi getting the ice cream.
Thumbs up. Get it.
Good girl, Yodi. Good girl.